In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of sync not working on Google Chrome. If you've been experiencing problems with Chrome not synchronizing your data across devices, stick around as we walk through the steps to resolve this issue effectively. Let's dive right in and get your Chrome browser syncing properly once again. First, open your Google Chrome browser. In the address bar at the top, type in Chrome/Files Settings, clear browser data, and hit Enter. This will take you to the settings page where you can clear your browser's data. Now, if you haven't been here before, you'll see a window pop up with options for clearing different types of data from your browser's history. Next, you need to set the time range for clearing data. There's a drop-down menu, and you'll want to select All Time to ensure that any data that could be causing the sync issues is removed. By using All Time, you're making sure that older files don't interfere with the syncing process. After setting the time range, focus on what types of data you want to clear. On this page, you'll see several options, but the ones to tick are cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. These are the most likely culprits that could be causing problems with sync. By clearing out cookies and cached data, you're giving your browser a fresh start to reestablish a stable sync connection. Once you've selected these options, go ahead and click Clear Data. Give Chrome a moment to process this request. This might take a little while depending on how much data you have. Once it's done, be sure to restart Chrome. You can do this by simply closing all tabs or windows and then opening the browser again. Now that we've cleared the data and restarted Chrome, the next step is to ensure that syncing is turned on. To do this, type Chrome/Settings sync into the address bar and hit Enter. This will take you directly to the synchronization settings for your Google account within Chrome. Here, check the main toggle to verify that sync is enabled. If it's already on, great, but if not, go ahead and turn it on. Even if it's on initially, sometimes turning it off and back on can help reset the connection. Now click on Manage Sync, where you can see all the items that Chrome is currently set to sync, like bookmarks, passwords, and other information. Check that everything you want synced is selected. Adjust these settings according to your preferences to ensure all necessary items are being synchronized. And that's it. By following these simple steps, clearing your cookies and cache, ensuring sync is enabled, and managing the sync settings, you should be able to fix any issues you've been having with sync not working on Google Chrome. Hopefully, this helps keep your browser functioning smoothly across all your devices. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.